Hi there, just thought I'd record this short video for those of you that have chronic and recurrent pain and you're just struggling to find the solution. There's one area that can often be overlooked, and this can be that you've been trying hands-on treatments and you might get short-term relief, but your pain ultimately keeps coming back, or you're just getting no response from treatments at all. And the area that can be overlooked are scars. And it really doesn't matter how big that scar is either, because you can have really small keyhole scars, or much larger ones from operations, or even accidents and injuries that we've had. I'm sure all of us have at least one scar. And so if you do then and have chronic pain, it could be an area that is well worth investigating. So just thought I'd recount a personal experience just to highlight that really. So I was kicked by a horse. It hurt a lot at the time. It was on my shin, and the kick itself meant that really you could see the bone of my leg as well, so it wasn't very pleasant. But ultimately that wound healed, it recovered, it didn't cause me any pain, so I didn't really think anything of it really beyond that. And it really was quite innocuous, quite surreptitious really, but over time what I was finding was I was constantly needing to stretch out my calf muscle. It just would be tight all of the time, but that stretching wasn't doing anything. There was times when it would feel like I had like lump of coal in the middle of my calf, and I'll be holding either side and squeezing it, just trying to release it off. And I did try massage treatments and even just doing yoga and things like that, but just nothing would even just release this tension in my calf. And so then Lorna did her scar work training, and I was like, oh, willing guinea pig. I think you need to practice on me and where I was kicked. So Lorna did, and I had a few sessions. And what was really interesting was that over a few weeks later, I thought, hang on, I'm not needing to stretch my calf muscle anymore. It's completely fine. Just that, and it does now. It's been a lasting relief. My right calf muscle now just feels just exactly the same as the left. And what I'm going to do is just show you, just allow me just to bring the camera around, just to show you the scar itself so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is it here. Tiny little scar. I've measured it, it's about 3.5 centimetres and 2 at its widest. And just that scar that wasn't causing me any pain was actually, I suppose, because it was causing my calf tension. So really does go to show, no matter how big or small your scar is, it can be worthy of consideration. So if you've got chronic pain, struggling to find a solution, then scar work, please look into it. And obviously we're here, Lorna's here, working from our clinic in South Somerset, and so hopefully that can then provide a lasting solution for you and recovery from your chronic pain.